Hello Chroma Kids, welcome to our channel Chroma Kids Creation. Today we are going to draw Pink Panther. Do you know who is Pink Panther? Pink Panther is a funny and lovable character that kids and toddlers enjoy watching. He is a cool pink color cat who goes on so many adventures and always finds clever way to solve problems. Pink Panther does not talk, but he uses his action and expression to make everyone laugh. Kids love Pink Panther because he is playful, smart, and always has a fun. Whether he is trying to outsmart someone or just having a good time, Pink Panther antics are always entertaining. Through his adventure, kids learn about creativity, problem solving, and joy of laughter. So kids, join Pink Panther on his exciting adventure and get ready for lots of giggle and fun. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for the more videos.